Welcome to the class Chemical Kinetics. In previous two videos, we discussed what is the chemical kinetics, what is the meaning of average rate and rate instant, and then rate for a given chemical reaction, and then factors influencing rate of a reaction. On that concept, we learn rate depend on concentration of the reactant. Now we want to discuss order of a reaction. What is the meaning of order of a reaction? For any given chemical equation, let us say this is the chemical equation. For this chemical equation, rate expression or rate law, you may write like this. Okay. For this equation, it is rate law or rate expression. It is known as rate law or rate expression. Okay, rate law or rate expression. Rate law or rate expression. X plus y is equal to n. X plus y, the powers of reactants, x plus y is equal to n. N is known as order of a reaction. N is known as order of a reaction. Okay. What is the meaning of definition of order? What is the definition for order? Order is sum of powers of the concentrations of reactants in a rate law. Okay, let us write down. Sum of powers of the concentrations of reactants, sum of powers of the concentrations of reactants in rate law. Is known as order of a reaction. Sum of powers of concentration of reactants in a rate law is known as order of a reaction. So definition itself is important for general intermediate public examination point of view. Define what is the order. Define order. Okay. What is the meaning of order? Is sum of powers of the concentrations of reactants in a rate law is known as order of a reaction. Sum of powers of the concentrations of reactants in a rate law or rate expression is known as order of a reaction. Okay. Order may be n value may be n value 0, 1, 2, 3, and even fraction value is also possible. Even fraction values are also possible, and even fraction values is also possible for order of a reaction. Okay, let us look into the matter. For this reaction, you may write K, rate constant K is equal to rate by A whole to the power of X, B whole to the power of Y. You may write like this also. If A is equal to B, then only we can sum of the you can sum these two, x plus y is equal to n. Okay, if a is not equal to b, you cannot sum of these two. You cannot sum these two values. Okay, we know from this, from the mathematical view. Okay, rate you may write like this: concentration by time. Rate means concentration by time. This one, concentration all x plus y is n. Okay, concentration all to the power of n. Concentration all to the power of n. Okay, you may write this also. You may write this one into concentration all to the power of 1 minus n. Okay, by time. Okay, you may write this one also. From this one, for adjusting these two, you may write like this also. Then concentration term by all to the power n minus 1. No problem. This one you may write like this also, by time. Okay. Next, if n is equal to 0, this is known as zero order reaction. Zero order reaction. Then units are for this reaction, units. What is the units? Put n is equal to 0 here. If you put n is equal to 0, then 0 minus plus, then you may write like this: concentration by time. Time means second. Concentration means moles per liter by second. You may write mole, liter inverse, second inverse as the units for, these are the units for zero order reaction. These are the units for zero order reaction. From this point of view, simply you put n is equal to 0, then minus into minus plus, then concentration by time. Time means second. Next, if n is equal to 1, it is known as first order reaction. First order reaction is known as first order reaction. Put n is equal to 1, n minus n, 0. Means n 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Then concentration whole power 0 is means 1. So 1 by time, 1 by second is means second inverse for first order reaction. For first order reaction, units of k. For first order reaction, units for k. For zero order reaction, units for k. Next, if n is equal to 2, this is known as second order reaction. Second order reaction. Put n is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, means concentration here, concentration minus 1 by second. Okay, you may write like this: moles per liter, LIT, liter, inverse, second inverse. Moles inverse, liter, second inverse. These are the units for second order reaction. These are the units for second order reaction. Okay. What is the units of rate constant? What is the units of rate constant for zero order, for first order, for second order? Okay, rate constant units for zero order, first order and second order. We learn how to calculate what are the units for this reaction, for this zero order, first order and second order. Okay. Next topic. Elementary reactions and complex reactions. What are the elementary reactions and what are the complex reactions? Single step reactions are elementary reactions. Single step reactions are elementary reactions. Multiple steps reactions are complex reactions. Okay, single step reactions are elementary reactions. Multiple steps, MUL, multiple step reactions are complex reactions. Multiple steps reactions are complex reactions. Complex reactions are three types. One is consecutive reactions. Next one is reversible reactions. Next one is consecutive, reversible, parallel reactions. Okay, parallel reactions. Nice, parallel reactions. Consecutive reactions are A gives rise to B, B gives rise to C. Is known as consecutive reactions. Multiple steps reaction. These are one step and this one is second step. Okay, these are consecutive reactions because these are multiple steps. See, this one is one step, this one is second step. So these are known as consecutive reactions. Reversible reactions, we know A gives rise to B, B gives rise to A. Okay, these are two steps. Here it has two steps, is known as reversible reactions. And parallel reactions. A gives rise to B, then A gives rise to C. This is known as parallel reactions. A gives rise to B, A gives rise to C. Simultaneously, A gives rise to B, A gives rise to C. Is known as parallel reactions. Okay. Elementary reactions are single step reactions. Complex reactions are multiple steps reactions. Here these are the multiple steps reactions. One is consecutive, reversible and parallel reactions. Okay, consecutive reactions takes more than one step. This is known as consecutive reactions. Element reactions always take single step. Here it is only A gives rise to B. Only single step reactions. Okay, A gives rise to B. This type of reactions are element reactions. This one as complex reactions. Okay. Next, we want to learn molecularity. What is the meaning or definition of molecularity? What is the importance of molecularity?